It all starts in the field, where mature cassava,
Freshly harvested cassava is collected and prepared for its journey to the processing facility.
the roots are loaded onto heavy-duty trucks and transported directly to the factory. A specialized peeling machine quickly removes the tough outer skin. A precision slicer cuts the cassava into thin, evenly sized pieces for a perfectly crispy texture. The peeled roots are cleaned and carefully sorted before entering the slicing line. The slices are rinsed and prepared for the next stage of production. Carefully harvested from the soil.